Okay.
I'd like to thank Nadula for always being so great to us and sponsoring today's video. They always have really great goodies in the bag, and today is no different. They do have a satin robe, some wig caps, a satin bag to store your wig in, and so much more. And of course, your beautiful wig. Let's get started.
This one's really long. On the front, it has the 3 slide-in combs. I actually prefer the clips over the combs. In the back, it has a comb at the back, some lace, and adjustable straps. It does have a little scent to it, like a factory scent. Yeah, a factory scent. My leave out is very like, you know, product-y and weighed down. So we definitely will not be putting any heat on our hair today because I don't need that, okay? So this is rosemary and mint water. I feel like if you're gonna be utilizing a protective style when your hair is in braids, this is just so easy to do. Like before you put your V-part or U-part on, just spray your hair, treat your scalp. Anyway, where's my scissors? I don't even have scissors in here, child. I really hope this cap size is not too big for my head. Sometimes they come in and they are just so big. It's ridiculous. I typically don't use the combs on the side, but today I am going to use them since I have like anchor braids. Woo. I actually like how my hair is like flowing into the extensions. Can we normalize going out like this? Because I think this is amazing. Who said I'm not gonna go to the store like this? Who said I'm not gonna run errands like this? Like, why not? This is 24 inches in the color 1B, and she's really soft. I'm not having any shedding as of right now. So, I mean, you guys, seamless. I think this is the perfect like throw on wig to like go to work or something, because you can literally like just put a clamp on it and like, who would know? I mean, a cuter clamp than this, but like, basically, sis, like, where are we going? I like this. So we are gonna have to braid the sides back down, because when I say I am not putting heat on my hair, I mean that 130%, because what is the point of a protective style if you're not protecting your hair? Like, it literally defeats the purpose. So I'm gonna just braid the front of my hair back down. That's why I really love these Kinky straight wigs. You can do the simplest styles with them and your hair is still gonna turn out so beautiful. And as you can see, I'm not braiding like this portion of my hair because I don't want any pulling. Kind of lifting off there. Do I have any rubber bands in here? Of course I don't have any rubber bands in here. Why would I have any rubber bands in here? That's like doing something right. And actually, once I do the other side, I'm gonna like pin it in the back. Okay. Really? Go to the gym, honey. You trying to figure out what you're gonna do with your hair to run to the gym? Like, okay, put your V part on and put that girl in a ponytail and go to the gym. It's no different than wearing a hat in the gym. Look at my little pony. Look, isn't she cute? Their little bump. I love it. I think this is how I'm gonna wear it today, you guys, because I am going to the gym tonight. Okay, so you know most kinky straight wigs have like that chemical smell. This does not have a chemical smell. However, it does have a factory smell, like it's been in a warehouse. Like, that's what it smells like. However, I'm sure you can get rid of that smell with just, you know, a shampoo. In manipulating the hair with the heat, it did really well. It does hold a curl pretty good. It straightens out beautifully. It straightens out just like relaxed hair. The hair is super, super soft. Keep in mind, I did not shampoo this hair, so I don't know how it acts once it's, you know, wet down. But let me take this ponytail out. Honestly, I really don't want to mess with it any further. I kind of just really like it the way it is. What's the point of having a kinky straight wig if you're not going to wear it kinky straight? I love it. I love it so much. My hair is not freshly washed, so I don't see me putting heat on my hair. I think that is the leading cause of breakage. And then I was not going to lay any edges. We're not laying edges on a kinky. No, we're not doing that. 2023, we are growing back our edges. We're going to let them girls live, okay? Look at that. Look. Y'all see what I see? Edges, okay? I promise you, if these edges, after being straightened, don't want to be straight no more, they not going to be straight no more. I'm not putting on for nobody. I prefer the clips, but when my hair is braided the way it's braided, I prefer the combs to just slide in. So that's really up to preference, you know? But the hair is super soft. It is perfect for this time of the season because it is super dense, but it's not like, it doesn't like weigh on your neck, if that makes sense. You know how it's so dense it like irritates your neck. It's not like that, but it's definitely gonna keep you warm this winter season, girl, okay? The hair is so soft, I almost can't stop touching it. The only thing I don't like about this hair is the factory smell, and that could be fixed with me just shampooing and conditioning the hair. So I do feel like this is a winner. When I get my kinky straight wigs, like, I be wanting to wear it kinky straight. Am I the only one that feels that way? Like, I don't really want to manipulate too much the crimp in it. Like, I like the crimp in it. That is the purpose of buying a kinky straight wig. No, but anyway, I did straighten it and I did curl it. It straightened very, very well. Yeah, but all in all, I love this wig. Oh, the wig cap size is perfect. If you have an interest in this particular unit, I will have all of the links in the description box down below. And until the next time, be loved.